Well-maintained structures enhance the visual appeal of communities, support local economies through tourism and heritage initiatives, rising dampness is a major concern, and CONMIX offers a solution to address these issues. Water dampness can damage masonry, plaster, and coatings. Additionally, the algae that grow due to dampness can pose health risks to residents. The root cause of rising damp is capillary moisture, which seeps into the masonry. Through capillary action, moisture is drawn deep into the material, potentially rising through several levels. MoyaShield WRIC, a ready-to-use cream, creates a horizontal barrier that effectively prevents the capillary action causing moisture problems, allowing the masonry to dry out. This technique involves injecting the product into pre-drilled holes in the masonry. Once injected, the material disperses throughout the masonry, creating a long-lasting horizontal barrier that halts rising damp. As a result, the masonry above this barrier can dry out thoroughly. The structure is then sustainably and permanently protected from future moisture problems. This injection method operates through a process known as hydrophobization, where the active substances in the injection agent react with the siliceous matrix of the capillaries and pores, resulting in permanent water repellency that effectively blocks capillary action. Remove previous plaster, render, or coatings at least 100 centimeters above the highest point of the rising damp level. Remove all efflorescence, damaged masonry, loose particles, and unsound mortar joint until a good substrate and patch with Recon GP or GPFS. Large cavities and hollow brick masonry must be sealed, also with Recon GP or GPFS. Drill holes 12 millimeters in diameter at 12 centimeters intervals along the mortar joint, approximately 8 holes per meter. Drilling to be stopped 2 to 5 centimeters before it reaching end of the wall. The drillings are mostly located at a minimum height of 150 millimeters above terrain. Remove dust and traces inside the holes with air pressure before the injection. MoyaShield WRIC is supplied ready-to-use pack of 5 kilograms and 25 kilograms. Repack the material into a caulking gun with a nozzle of suitable diameter 10 millimeters. When applying, nozzle must be inserted deep as possible into the hole, and then fill the drill holes completely with injection cream from the back to front. Finally, patch the hole with Recon GP or GPFS. Wall area may subsequently be leveled with a high water vapor permeability mortar from Recon Rage and its decorative finish CONMIX plaster after 7 days from injection. MoyaShield WRIC penetrates the finest capillaries and horizontal vapor barrier and raising moisture. Advantages: suitable for a high degree of moisture saturation, high saline, siloxane content, and high level of penetration into substrate. Highly water repellent, ready to use. Simple utilization: injection by injection gun. Pressure-free application. Doesn't affect the vapor permeability of the masonry. Not affected by substrate alkalinity. It does not produce or release any salts. No aesthetic changes on the original surface.